If studying longer actually worked, the hardest working student in your class would always come first, but they don't. Most students try to go from 0 to 100 overnight. They make a 10-hour study plan on Sunday night and quit by Tuesday morning. Japan's most powerful philosophy destroys this habit. Kaizen means continuous improvement, but not big improvement, just 1% better every single day. Day 1, study 30 minutes with full focus. Day 7, study 45 minutes. Day 30, you're pulling 3-hour deep sessions effortlessly. That's not motivation, that's compounding. The same math that makes billionaires rich, applied to your brain. Your competition is trying to sprint a marathon. You're going to pace your way to the top. Your brain is not designed to focus for hours. It's designed for bursts. Intense, sharp, then rest. Like a heartbeat. Japanese students figured this out decades ago. The formula: 25 minutes of locked-in focus, 5-minute break, repeat 4 times, 20-minute rest. No phone, no music with lyrics, just you and the subject for 25 minutes. That's it. Richard Feynman was a Nobel Prize-winning physicist. Japanese students independently discovered his exact method. The rule is simple and ruthless. After studying a topic, close the book. Now, explain it out loud like you're teaching a 10-year-old. Struggling? Good. That struggle is your brain identifying its own gaps. Go back, fill them, come back and explain again. Repeat until you can explain it to a child without stuttering. When you can do that, you will never forget it. Rereading your notes is the most comfortable and the most useless study technique in existence. It feels productive, your brain loves it, and it barely works. Japanese students don't reread, they test themselves constantly. Here's the method. Study a topic for 25 minutes. Close everything. Write down everything you remembered without looking. Check what you missed. Test again tomorrow. Most students spend 90% of study time reading. Flip it. Spend 70% testing yourself. You know that feeling at the end of a long study day where nothing is going in anymore? That's not laziness, that's cognitive saturation. Your brain is literally full. Japanese students solve this with the rule of 3, maximum 3 major topics per day. Here's the daily structure: morning, hardest subject; afternoon, medium difficulty subject; evening, easy revision or something you enjoy. Information without action is just entertainment. You've probably watched 50 study tip videos. How many tips have you actually used for more than 3 days? So here's what I want you to do right now. Not tomorrow, not after this video. Pick one secret from this list, just one, and use it in your very next study session. The students who are topping your class right now, they're not smarter, they're just using better systems.